welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be reviewing a brand new self-tanner that just came out. This is the Rose and Caramel Unity Unisex Self-Tanning Foam. So excited about this one. I just could not wait to get my hands on this. So that's what today's gonna be all about. We are going to see exactly what it does, what it's all about. We're gonna try it out. I will let you know if I think it's worth your money. So yes, before we get into it, please, as usual, give this a big thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel. Again, it really just helps me out, and you get 3 videos a week, so do not miss out. But if you want to see my review of this self-tanner, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alrighty guys, like I said, Rose and Caramel, they have just never let me down. I feel like pretty much every self-tanner that I've tried from Rose and Caramel has been a hit. So I'm hoping that that's the case with this. It's supposed to be ultra dark. Of course, I got the darkest shade that I could because I love color. So again, this is supposed to be a unisex tanning foam, which I feel like realistically all self-tanners technically are. Like, I don't think there's really a rule to that, but we'll see what makes this different once we start reading the description. I love Rose and Caramel products though, so very excited about this. So I have it pulled up on the website. We're gonna read up on the details as usual, and then we're gonna get into applying. So once again, this is the Unity Dark, Ultra Dark Tanning Foam, 200 milliliters, which I'm pretty sure translates to 6.7 fluid ounces, which is the standard, if I'm not mistaken, but I'm 99% sure that that's it. This goes for $29, so standard pricing pretty much for a self-tanner. Really not bad. And then the description says, Unity Ultra Dark for an ultra dark tan infused with a designer inspired scent for ultra dark unisex scented skin. Ah, that's what it is. A balance of all tones has been accounted for in this bespoke guide color, giving the perfect bronze tan to all skin types and tones. Layer up for ultra dark results that boasts a long-lasting, even fading tan, infused with Alpha Moist, proven to increase skin's moisture levels for up to 48 hours, ensuring a deep, multi-dimensional tan that fades off evenly. Recommended for experienced tanners or those who are looking to achieve the darkest tan possible. Right here. So then for how to apply, it says whatever, using a tanning mitt. Layering of our tan can be done for ultra dark results. That does not make sense to me because I'm pretty sure there were like other deepness ones. Like I don't think there was just an ultra dark choice. Yeah, they have like medium dark. They have other choices. So I wonder why it's saying, I don't know, that's weird. I don't know why it's saying to layer up for an ultra dark tan. I feel like it should get you ultra dark in one layer because other self-tanners do. Like, I don't see the point in layering up. So we're gonna do one layer like we always do and see what that does for me. If I feel like it's not dark enough, I'll let you guys know, because I feel like there's so many self-tanners out there where you could get an ultra dark color with one layer and you're not wasting extra product. So stay tuned for that. And then I'm interested to see about like the moisture aspect of it, where it says like your skin will feel super moisturized for like, what was it, 48 hours. And I'm interested to see what the smell is gonna be, because I guess that's what makes it unisex. We're just gonna start applying. I already put self-tanner on my face, so I'm not gonna do that, but I will go like neck down with this. So I'll let you know what I think about like how it applied, smell, all of that once we're done applying. So let's get started. All right guys, I just finished applying to my body, and first thing I want to say, this is hands down one of the best smelling self tanners that I've ever tried. So unexpected. I was not expecting to like fall in love with the way that this smells. It's like a mix between a cologne and a perfume, but like the perfect combination. It's like this super like alluring kind of smell. I don't even know how to begin to describe it, but it is amazing. I could smell myself all night if this is how it's gonna be. Wow. Oh my god. The Saint Tropez might have a run for its money. I'm gonna have to compare and see if I like this one. Maybe that'll be a fun comparison video, because this and that are like, I think, the top 2 best smelling self tanners that I've tried. So wow, oh my god, very unexpected, very amazing. So love that. It applied so amazingly, you guys. Like, it went on so smooth. It was so quick to apply. It dried so quick. Like, my skin does not feel sticky at all. And when I say at all, like other self tanners that don't make me feel sticky, this is that times 10. Like, I feel so good, and my skin really does feel so hydrated. And don't get me started on the color guard. It's perfect. It's like the perfect golden brown color. It's like perfectly dark enough without being too crazy looking, so I could see exactly where I'm spreading. And honestly, like I said, it's like the perfect brown color, so I could wear this in public and I won't feel weird about it, because it already looks like a tan. It doesn't look like green or orange or red or anything like that. It's like perfect, and it smells good. So realistically, you could put this on and then go out if you have things to do, and you don't have to worry about it. So very everyday person friendly, definitely unisex, because like I said, it smells like a cologne, but it smells like a perfume mixed into one. It's really weird, but I am in love right now. I don't have a single negative thing to say about it. Like, I am just like over the moon. I'm so happy right now. So I'm very anxious to see what it looks like in the morning and see how dark it gets me. Like I said, I'm doing 1 layer, so we're gonna see how dark I get with that. But I'm gonna go to sleep on this. I'm not gonna wash it off until the morning, and then I will come back in the morning. Actually, hold on a second. I don't think I read what the back of this says for you guys. Oh, okay, so the only thing I didn't mention is that it develops in 6 to 8 hours. Everything else on the back of the bottle is what the website says. But yeah, 6 to 8 hours, so I'm gonna sleep on this, and then tomorrow, once I have washed it off, I will come back and show you the final result and let you know if I think it's worth your money. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Guys, I'm back. Here is what I look like. So I do want to start by saying I'm obsessed. I just love how my tan looks. And okay, so I don't think this is ultra dark. I do think it's dark. So I feel like a second coat probably would have gotten you there to the ultra dark. But again, like I said, I like hate when products say that, like put a second coat or do another coat 2 days later to get like the darkest result, because there's so many self tanners out there where I feel like they get you that ultra dark color in the first layer. So those are the ones that should be advertised as ultra dark. The ones that require like 2-3 layers to get to ultra dark should be advertised as like a medium or a dark. Do you know what I mean? Because I feel like any medium self tanner that's out there, you put it on 2 layers and it'll get you even darker. So that was the only thing that I was like, no about. But does that make me not want to get it again? Absolutely not, because everything this did for me was A+. Literally starting with the smell, because that like hypnotized me all night, you guys. I'm not kidding. All night I was like I was like sniffing myself because I smelled so good. And even my boyfriend was like, ooh, I like this one. And he is like, he'll tell me right away, because he helps me put self tanner on my back. He helps me record my legs. He's the man behind the camera for that. So he'll tell me like, oh, I like this, oh, I don't like this, oh, I like the smell, I don't like the smell. So I have a second set of eyes and a nose to tell me their opinions. So love the smell. The way it applied, amazing. The way that it felt throughout the night, like I didn't even have self tanner on, it was freaking awesome. literally like one of the least sticky self tanners that I've ever put on my body. Like, it is just beautiful. So love, love, love how it felt. No streakiness whatsoever. This is so even, and I feel like I had a little leftover self tanner on from last week, but I feel like it's so even everywhere. Like, it like corrected the mistake that was on my body from before. So I just love everything about this, and honestly, I don't care that it's not an ultra dark because I just love the color that I got with this. Like, look at me, you tell me. Like, it's really, really, really nice. I'm obsessed. So as you can tell by my reaction, this is a huge yes for me. I'm so glad that they came up with this. I do love the idea of this, and I absolutely love, 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 love what it did for me, and the smell. I'm gonna have to compare this and the Saint Tropez one, like I said, because those two, whew, it's gonna be hard. So I recommend. But that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment and let me know your thoughts on what this did for me. Let me know what other self tanners you guys want to see me review, because I feel like there's some good ones coming out these days. So let me know. But comment, say hello, give this a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. But stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video.